Obsidian how to use links. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Obsidian app on your device. For this demonstration, you will create a library about human evolution. Start by creating one new folder and one new note. Rename the folder to Library and rename the note to Human. Open the Human note and input all of the information about human evolution, including the names of each species. After entering the information, find the part about 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝗲𝘀𝗀 and surround the species name with 2 opening square brackets and 2 closing square brackets like this. This creates a link from the human note to a new note titled 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝗲𝘀𝗀. Repeat the same process for the following species names: 𝗕𝘂𝗾𝗾𝗂𝘀𝗶, 𝗕ஹ𝗾𝗾𝗂𝘀𝗃𝗂𝗃, Homo neanderthalensis, and Homo sapiens, making sure to place double square brackets around each one. Once all links are created, you will see new linked notes for each species. Move all of these notes into the library folder. Then, open each species note and input all of the relevant information inside. Now, when you click on any species name in the human note, Obsidian will take you to the corresponding note within the library folder.